The to be verbs in the present tense are am, is, and are. Am is used with first person, I. Is a singular verb and it is used with singular subjects. Are is a plural verb and it is used with plural subjects. Example, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, and they are. Now, to be verbs help us to describe a state of being. So, to help us understand states or conditions. Example, I am happy. Or they help us talk about identity. I am Geeta. Age. The boy is 6 years old. Or profession. He is a doctor. Or location. The book is in the library. Now let's practice a few example sentences. She is my friend. The subject is singular. So we have used singular verb is. The flowers are yellow. Are. Because the subject is plural. The flashlight is in the tent. The fridge and counter in the kitchen are dirty because the subject is plural, the fridge and counter. I am tired today. Now, to make a positive sentence negative, we use not after the verb am, is, or are. For example, I am ready. I am not ready. So we have placed not after the verb am. You are busy. You are not busy. He is my friend. He is not my friend. She is tall. She is not tall. It is true. It is not true. They are pink. They are not pink. Now the contracted form of is not is isn't. That is, we just remove the O and we place an apostrophe in the place of O. In the same way, aren't is the short form of are not. So we've removed the O and we have placed an apostrophe in the place of O. Now let's practice a few example sentences. The cheese is on the table. Let's make sure that we write the contracted form. The cheese is in on the table. She is my sister. She isn't my sister. My neighbors are Spanish. My neighbors aren't Spanish. My sister-in-law is Italian. My sister-in-law isn't Italian. The bus is empty. The bus isn't empty. Now I have few more sentences for you to complete. Pause the video, complete your sentences, and come back to check your answers. The subway isn't full. The windows aren't dirty. It isn't a dragonfly. The keys aren't in the car. The microwave oven isn't clean. My boss isn't at the office. Now let's see how to convert a positive sentence into a question form. So to make a question in the present tense, we place am, is, or are before the subject. Let me explain this. I am late. So here the to be verb am comes before the subject, I. So, am I late? And with a question mark. You are my new boss. So the to be verb are comes before the subject you. Are you my boss? He is your teacher. Is he your teacher? She is your neighbor. Is she your neighbor? It is expensive. Is it expensive? Now here are a few more sentences for you to practice. I want you to pause the video again, complete these sentences and come back to check your answers. The toothbrush and toothpaste are in the bathroom. Are the toothpaste and toothbrush in the bathroom? My bathing suit is on the clothesline. Is my bathing suit on the clothesline? I am in your English class. Am I in your English class? Is it cold outside? Is he a policeman in the city? Do remember to end your questions with a question mark. So today in this video, we've learned the to be verb am, is and are, how to convert positive sentences into negative sentences, and we also learned how to convert the positive sentences into a question. If you have any question regarding this topic, let me know in the comments.